everyone, my name is Brianna and today we're going to be making some custom shirts.
Materials include saran wrap, scissors, parchment paper, an iron, the picture of your choice, and a shirt. First, you must figure out what picture you want on your shirt. You can print one out or draw your own on paper. Now tightly wrap the picture or drawing in saran wrap and place it on the desired area of the shirt. Next, place the parchment paper on top and iron it on medium heat. Now you're all done. Use the same technique on scarves and bags. Have fun!